I'm going to be making a Galaxy biscuit chocolate cake. This dessert is very easy to make and you will need Glucose Biscuits, Dream Whip, Galaxy chocolate and milk and cream. Step 1, I'm going to break all of the chocolates and put them in the pan. Use a total of 6 Galaxy chocolate bars. Step 2 is to put the chocolates in a saucepan with water, and we put the water so it does not burn. So yummy. Very, very chocolatey. Take the chocolate and put it on like something that will not make the table burn. The next step is to add in the cream. I'm going to add 2 of the creams. This is going to be our second one. It looks like white chocolate and dark chocolate mixed together. And then we're going to mix it. That kind of looks good. Just to add in the Dream Whip. It looks super duper sugary. This looks so fluffy. Look at that. So we have to mix it. This reminds me of frosting. It should look completely brown like this. I should try it. So yummy. I'm gonna lick this whole spoon when we're done. This looks so good. Can't wait to eat the entire cake. Chocolatey goodness. What we're gonna do is put a glass of milk. And then we're going to pour half of the glass into the chocolate mixture. But once we're pouring, we have to mix. So we're going to do that right now. Mix. This would actually taste good when it's not in the biscuits. Just take it and eat it. It should look like this, something like earlier, but much more liquidy, because we added the milk and the milk makes it much more liquidy, so it should be easier to freeze. Now you will get to the final step and the funnest step. You're gonna take the chocolate and then you're gonna put it into your bowl. Your bowl should be big and wide, and then you're gonna pour a bit in. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna spread it, because we're not gonna use all of the chocolate because we have to do other layers. Spread it out like this. Next, what we're going to do is we're gonna take the biscuits and then we're gonna put milk in a bowl to dip the biscuits in, like this, all the way, and then you're gonna put it into the cake like this. This will be our first layer when we're done with it. So we're done with our first layer. Then we're gonna add in our second layer. We're done with the chocolate and then the biscuit and then the chocolate, and we're going to keep on doing that until we reach the end of the cake dessert. And then we're going to put it in the fridge. Finally reach the final layer of our dessert, which is the chocolate. Delicious. Make sure you scoop every bit of chocolate that's in the pan to get as much as chocolate on the top. is to put it in the freezer for 2 hours and then move it to the fridge, and then you can dig in and eat all that chocolate and biscuits you want for this dessert.